You don't even have to like me, but you will respect me.
Buy it, hold on to it, keep it moving.
This what happened when you buy a lot of land.
I don't want to get.
Okay, so what we got?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, right?
How's the apple off the tree?
Good. Mm-hmm.
I ain't got no bag, but I got a bag.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't got no bag, but I got a bag.
Oh my goodness.
So.
Well, I'm trying to see what Corinna says.
She up there.
Where?
No, she went to go wash it. I don't know what she was.
Rosalie apples, Fuji and honey crisscross, sweet to sweet tart flavor, crisp, perfect for snacks and salad. Autumn Gala, late season variety of Gala, very sweet and firm, crisp and juicy, excellent for eating and salads. Did you rinse it off?
Yeah, where's the other apple? It's called
Bro.
honeycrisp.
Everything up there is not right.
Huh?
Up ahead
Ooh.
is nothing right.
Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Oh, that's a big one.
We're going to go into the potato section. Oh, that's a good one. You feel like what?
Like I'm in the backyard right now. Our future backyard. This is gonna be our future backyard.
This is beautiful though.
Mm-hmm.
And it's a good day. Not too hot and not cold.
It's comfy. Dang, you not demolished.
I'm just thirsty.
Every time you buy a drink and you drink me out, you say I was thirsty.
I was thirsty. Everybody know me and drinks. Me and drinks. I drink. Glad it's not alcohol.
Whew. How often we drink alcohol?
Once every.
Blue.
I can't even say every few months, or I can't even say that.
Even if we take a vacation, we'll drink, but we don't drink.
No, we never drink a whole bottle of anything.
That's why
You might get like one drink at the bar. Shots more than anything.
I like this song.
You glad we came? See, glad you came. She told
I can
me.
make a whole lot of content here.
How's that one?
It reminds me of my grandmother's apple tree. We had green apples in the backyard. They wasn't as big as these. But this is good. But I prefer the red ones. Look at that.
I see
Look at
it's
that
juicy.
juice in there.
Mm-hmm. Just ain't no Walmart apples. Pretty good.
Pretty good, Bob.
Mm-hmm, pretty good. I like the red ones though. Pretty good. A little bit of red. pink, as they say. You want to do some potato picking?
You're already trying to find some.
You not going to do nothing?
Huh?
I want to find the sweet potatoes. We just came from all the way up there where the apples are. All the way back there.
We was over there. We didn't go all the way up there. All the way up there. That was some
The cornfield is right there. We was all the way up there by the cornfield. Yes, we was.
No. All right, never mind. You got it.
Because the middle point is right there. Where the lady is, right there, look.
You're right.
We did walk all the way up there. Which one am I on? Let's go to the next one.
On the scared truck.
What's this over here? What's this one?
Moving some. This is the flower.
Oh, I'm a flower. I'm pretty.
No, you still growing, baby. Come over here to the dog face.
Oh, you dog is low.
Walking like a
Get
dog.
low, get low.
Walking like a dog. Walking like a dog.
This is what I was looking for. Peppers. Tomatoes, sweet potatoes.
Green bean, tomato, potato.
You name it.
Green bean, tomato, potato.
Okay. Hot? 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 It's hot. I told you the one is that biting. I told you.
You got water?
No.
But I can taste like an apple right now.
You okay?
And that was just one dab on your tongue. Y'all tried it?
No.
Oh.
You'll be okay. It's hot, hot?
It's real hot.
Yeah, look, babe.
Oh.
I got that on camera, too. Okay, babe. So how was your experience for today?
Good.
What makes it good?
It makes it good. I was outside with the grass. It was a lot of grass out here. A lot of grass out here. I had 2 good apples. 2 good apples that filled me up real good. Like I'm still full.
What about that pepper you ate?
Man, I got that pepper. I was sitting down for like an hour already because when I took my hoodie off, I scratched my back. After I scratched my back started burning.
Yeah, the peppers on your hand.
Yeah.
Would you come back?
Yeah, I would come back. I just would come back. I told you I would come back. I told Miss Irene I would come back just to take a nap in an apple garden.
Mm-hmm. The eggplant gotta go, baby. Romantic hayride with just me and hubby. Nobody else is on.
We bought out for the hayride for this section.
Yes. It's only me and hubby. We're taking a private ride.
Gotta do that sometimes, especially when you don't want to bother with people that be bumping into your leg by accident.
My legs up. My legs are up.
Floyd and Bertha Reichert moved to Brannigsville in 1939 from the Erie Valley, and they purchased 17 acres of land.
17.
Over the years, they purchased numerous additional parcels of land to add to their farm for what is now 114 acres.
100. They started off with 17 and it was 114 acres.
Joshua Dale Grimm, who operated a greenhouse, and over the next 16 years, they continued adding more. In 1989, they farmed over 80 acres of greenhouses, vegetables, sweet corn, and grew over 25,000 mums. In 1997, they added the first ever corn maze in the Lehigh Valley region, which includes a pick-around pumpkin patch, straw maze, corn boxes, and numerous activities. In 2011, Grimm's Orchard and Family